Hello, in front of me I've got CARPURIDE, Android Auto and Apple CarPlay tab. In this video I'll show you how to connect Pendrive to the tab and how to manage it. In the beginning, let's take a look at the left side of the tab. Right here we've got the USB port. Simply plug your Pendrive to the USB port. Now you can manage it from this menu. Currently device is not supported, but if your Pendrive is well formatted, you'll be able to enter it and listen to music and watch videos from it. To uninstall the USB device, unplug it, and that's it. If you find this video helpful, please leave a like, comment and subscribe.